If your semi-truck is making whining noises, grinding sounds, leaking gear oil, or vibrating while driving, you don't want to ignore it. Today, we've got a truck in the shop that needs a full differential replacement. And this is the kind of repair that starts small. But if it gets ignored, it can turn into a major breakdown, expensive towing bill, lost loads, and serious downtime. In this video, I'm going to show you what causes differential failure, the warning signs every truck owner should know, and why catching it early can save you thousands. Let's get right into it. Welcome to TAT Express here in Dallas. We specialize in semi-truck repair, trailer repair, RV repair, fleet maintenance, and keeping your hard-working truck on the road where it belongs. Today, our technician has a brand new differential ready for installation on this truck. Now, for anyone who may not know, the differential is one of the most important parts on your drivetrain. Its job is to transfer power from the transmission to the drive wheels while allowing wheels to rotate at different speeds when turning. That's critical because when a truck turns, the outside wheel travels farther than the inside wheel. Without a properly working differential, turning becomes difficult, parts wear out fast, and drivetrain damage can happen quickly. So when this component starts failing, it's not something to delay. We see differential failures happen for a few common reasons. Number one, low fluid levels. If the gear oil gets low, the bearings and gear lose lubrication. That creates heat and metal-to-metal wear. Number two, contaminated fluid. Over time, old fluid breaks down and can collect metal particles, moisture, and debris. Number three, leaks that get ignored. A small leak can become a major issue if fluid levels keep dropping. Number four, heavy loads and hard use. These trucks work hard every day, pulling weight, heat, mileage, stop and go traffic, it all adds up. And number five, drivers hear noise but keep driving. That's one of the biggest mistakes. Here are some warning signs every truck owner should pay attention to. Whining noise from the rear axle, grinding sounds while driving, clunking when accelerating, vibrations at speed, gear oil leaks around the axle housing, binding while turning, poor drive chain performance. If your truck is showing any of those symptoms, get it inspected immediately. Because once internal gear damage starts, metal starts spreading through the entire unit. This truck came in before a total failure happened, which is exactly what you want. Our team diagnosed the issue, confirmed the differential needed replacement, and now we've got a new unit ready for install. That means restoring reliability before the truck ends up stranded on the side of the road. This is always the better option compared to waiting for a catastrophic failure. A lot of owners try to squeeze a little bit more time out of a failing rear end. But here's what waiting can cost you: a roadside breakdown, tow bill, missed delivery, lost revenue, damage to other drivetrain components, longer repair downtime, emergency repair pricing. When your truck makes money on the road, downtime is expensive. Preventive repair is almost always cheaper than an emergency failure. When we replace a differential, we don't just throw parts and send it out. Our team checks surrounding components too: seals, bearings, fluid condition, drive shaft condition, mounting points, axle components, overall drivetrain health. That helps prevent repeat problems and gives the customer confidence when the truck leaves the shop. At TAT Express, we understand that truck owners need two things: fast turnaround and quality work done right the first time. We know that every day your truck is down can cost money. That's why we focus on honest diagnostics, skilled repairs, and getting your truck back on the road safely. If your truck is making whining noises, leaking gear oil, vibrating, or showing drivetrain issues, don't wait until it fails. Bring it in and let us inspect it before it becomes a much bigger repair. We're located in Dallas, Texas. TAT Express, semi-truck, trailer, and RV repair specialists. Call us today or stop by the shop. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and follow for more real truck repairs, maintenance tips, and behind the scenes shop content. We'll see you in the next one.